Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're doing number 179. Let's finish this box off here. We're just missing a 2. If we look at this top row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. Got a 5 here, so 2, 3, no help here, 2, 3, 5, and no help here, 2, 3, 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 4 and 5, and I don't see any help, so 4, 5, 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. Got a 6 here. So 2, 3, 3 here, so 2, 6, 2 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. No help here, 2, 6, 8. No help here, 2, 6, 8, and 2, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. There's a 2 here, so 3, 2. That makes this our 6 and 3. For this row now, we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, so 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. For this column now, we're just missing a 3. For this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4. This 3 makes this our 2. Get rid of this 2, and this 2, and this 2. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8, and I don't see any help, so 6, 8, 6, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. A 9 here, so 8, 9. This box now, we're missing 3 and 5. I don't see any help. For this column now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 and 6 here. So this is our 8. That makes this our 6 and our 2. And this our 8, 6, 8. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. Got a 5 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, so 5, 7. And a 7 here, so 3, 5. So for this row then, we're missing the 3 and 7, and I don't see any help, so 3, 7. This row's missing 5, 7, and no help, so 5, 7. This row is missing 2, 3, and 5. 2 can't be here or here, so this is our 2. All right, so now if we look back at these columns, I think we're just going to have to plug some things in here and see how it goes. So if we make this our 3 and our 5, that would make this our 7 5, 3, 5, 7, 3. All right, there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.